Any engine's cooling system, with coolant at its core, is its unsung hero. Coolant additives seldom get the attention they merit, while engines, horsepower, and performance enhancements frequently take center stage. However, nothing protects your engine from corrosion, overheating, and long-term damage like the proper coolant additive. Every time you start your automobile or truck, these additives silently guarantee dependability by preventing internal rust and maintaining steady temperatures. While choosing the correct addition offers peace of mind mile after mile, choosing the incorrect one might gradually deteriorate essential components. The strain that contemporary engines place on their cooling systems is often underestimated by drivers. Compared to earlier models, modern cars run at higher temperatures, tighter tolerances, and more pressure. Clean, effective coolant flow is essential for plastic cooling components, aluminum engine blocks, electronic sensors, and turbochargers. Even while the engine is not running, additives continue to protect metal surfaces from corrosion and stop deposits from building up inside radiators and passageways. Long before symptoms become apparent, issues including overheating, clogged channels, and early component failure can arise if the coolant is not properly protected. Additionally, coolant additives are crucial for durability in harsh environments. The cooling system is constantly stressed by high ambient temperatures, heavy towing, stop-and-go traffic, and lengthy interstate rides. Coolant may become less effective without adequate chemical support, which could lead to interior corrosion or heat accumulation. Because of this, it's critical to comprehend the distinction between heat reducer and anti-rust chemicals. Making the appropriate decision preserves engine health and sustains steady performance over time, in addition to controlling temperatures. Coolant additives are carefully blended chemicals that are used in engines to improve the performance of water and antifreeze combinations. Their main responsibilities are to control heat transfer, stop corrosion, and maintain coolant chemistry at different temperatures. Steel, brass, iron, aluminum, and other metal surfaces are the main targets of anti-rust additives. They create a thin layer of defense that keeps internal rust, oxidation, and electrolysis from forming inside the engine block, water pump, and radiator. Long-term dependability depends on this protection, particularly for cars that run in hot or humid conditions. The function of coolant additives. Coolant additives are carefully blended chemicals that are used in engines to improve the performance of water and antifreeze combinations. Their main responsibilities are to control heat transfer, stop corrosion, and maintain coolant chemistry at different temperatures. The ideal coolant addition ultimately relies on how you utilize your car. Anti-rust additives offer crucial protection against corrosion and system wear for everyday driving and long-term engine protection. Heat reducer additives provide better thermal control for high-stress situations where overheating is an issue. Choosing the perfect coolant additive guarantees that your engine will remain cool, safe, and reliable for many years to come. Much like choosing the right battery powers your car dependably. Sturdiness and extended protection. The long-term protection that premium coolant additives offer is one of their most important benefits. Specifically, anti-rust additives are designed to lessen internal wear by creating a barrier that protects the cooling system's metal surfaces. This barrier stops the gradual deterioration of radiators, heater cores, and engine blocks caused by corrosion, scale, and electrochemical processes. Basic coolant combinations are much more susceptible to internal rust and deposit buildup, especially as the coolant ages, even if they can control temperature for daily drive. When a car is subjected to adverse weather, heavy towing, long idle times, or mountainous travel, longevity becomes even more crucial. Because they safeguard the cooling system even when the engine is not actively circulating coolant at high speeds, anti-rust additives are perfect for trucks, SUVs, and work vehicles. Properly protected systems stay clean and effective, in contrast to untreated systems where rust particles can circulate in plugged passageways. Throughout the engine's lifetime, this inherent stability aids in maintaining steady cooling performance. Additionally, heat resistance is essential, especially in hot areas where cooling systems are constantly strained. Heat reducer additives are made to increase thermal efficiency, which makes it possible for coolant to more efficiently absorb and release heat. As temperatures rise, standard coolant may start to lose effectiveness, resulting in progressive overheating and accelerated wear. By enhancing heat transfer, Heat reducer chemicals slow this process and assist the engine in maintaining steady operating temperatures. For drivers who depend on their cars on a daily basis or work in harsh conditions, a cooler running engine means fewer problems, less stress on parts, and more confidence. Upkeep and system security. When it comes to upkeep and general system safety, coolant additives really stand out. By avoiding internal contaminants and corrosion accumulation, anti-rust additives reduce the frequency of coolant flushes. Over time, this leads to a cleaner system that needs less maintenance. Coolant can become acidic without the right chemicals, causing internal damage that frequently goes unreported until a significant failure happens. These additives lower the chance of leaks and unplanned cooling system breakdowns because they shield metal parts, hoses, and seals. In contemporary cars where small engine bays and intricate cooling systems allow little margin for error, this is especially crucial. When a cooling system is neglected, simple problems can soon turn into costly repairs involving water pumps, radiators, or even head gaskets. Additionally, driving mistake is less likely when the proper coolant additive is used. These products function continuously once introduced and don't need to be regularly monitored or adjusted. Selecting the right coolant additive, whether heat reducer for thermal control or anti-rust for durability, gives drivers who value dependability, low maintenance, and long-term engine protection peace of mind, and guarantees the cooling system operates at its peak under all circumstances. Cost versus long-term value. When selecting a coolant additive, many car owners prioritize cost. Standard additives or basic coolant are frequently less expensive up front, which makes them desirable for short-term or rapid solutions. The long-term advantages of anti-rust and heat reducer additives, however, frequently surpass the original cost, even though they may be slightly more expensive at the time of purchase. These additives are intended to prolong the cooling system's lifespan, lessen wear, and avoid expensive repairs that may result from corrosion or overheating. High-quality coolant additives typically turn out to be more cost-effective over time. Radiator clogs, water pump failures, and overheating-related engine repairs are less likely when internal rust, scale accumulation, and heat-related damage are prevented. The higher initial cost is partially mitigated by fewer coolant flushes, less maintenance, and increased engine efficiency. Purchasing the proper coolant addition frequently results in cost savings and increased dependability across a number of years of car ownership. What coolant additive is ideal for you? Knowing how your car is utilized on a daily basis is the first step in selecting the best coolant addition. An anti-rust additive might be adequate for older cars with more straightforward cooling systems and mild driving conditions. Longer highway travels usually result in stable operating temperatures for these cars, protecting the cooling system from corrosion and enabling effective operation. Anti-rust additives provide consistent and affordable performance for drivers who value long-term engine health and fundamental protection. Why selecting the right coolant additive is more crucial than you might assume. Stable temperature regulation is crucial for modern engines. Beyond engine safety, coolant performance has an impact on the overall driving experience. Reduced fuel efficiency, uneven cabin heating or cooling, engine knock, and higher internal component wear are all consequences of poor heat control. Internal cooling system corrosion can block pipes, limit coolant flow, and put stress on the radiator and water pump. Over time, this undetected damage may result in expensive repairs that significantly outweigh the slight price difference between cheap coolant solutions and premium additives. Choosing the right coolant additive is more important than ever as engines continue to advance with higher compression, tighter tolerances, and increasing heat production. The engine can continue to operate as intended for many years to come with the correct additive, which guarantees effective heat transfer, corrosion protection, and long-term system health. Anti-rust and heat reducer additives together offer the greatest overall solution for the majority of contemporary vehicles and trucks, even if there isn't a single coolant additive that works for every vehicle. By stopping corrosion, scale accumulation, and interior deterioration, anti-rust additives offer crucial long-term protection. Conversely, heat reducer chemicals increase thermal efficiency, keeping engines cooler in situations involving heavy loads, traffic, or severe weather. Simple coolant combinations are no longer suitable for today's high-demand engines, while they might still be functional for older or lightly driven cars. A move towards preparation and durability is shown in contemporary coolant additive technologies. These additives are made to withstand harsh temperatures, high-pressure cooling systems, prolonged idling, towing, and continuous heat cycles without sacrificing performance. Even so, premium. Although additives may initially cost a little extra, they frequently prove to be a wise investment by lowering maintenance, averting malfunctions, and safeguarding costly engine parts. The coolant additive that you never notice is ultimately the greatest. Mile after mile, season after season, it silently works in the background to preserve your engine, control temperature, and stop corrosion. Selecting the appropriate coolant addition is crucial for maintaining engine performance and dependability. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your car type and cooling system experience. Your contribution enables us to provide you with more in-depth analysis and expert automotive advice. Stay informed and drive wisely.